Hello, my name is Dave Marshall and yes, I'm a bean counter. For those of you that don't know, a bean counter is slang sometimes used to refer to a bookkeeper. I've searched the web for good free bookkeeping and accounting tutorials and courses and came to the conclusion that they're hard to find, so this is my attempt to try and fill the void. What qualifies me to attempt this task? I guess you can tell it's not my fancy dress code. I have over 30 years experience in business and even taught at a small business college for a couple of years. My method of passing on knowledge is to make the subject easy to understand and to use simple examples and terminology to illustrate the concepts being presented. If you're anything like me, I learn a lot easier when I can see an example of what we're talking about. Tell me and show me too. This free bookkeeping tutorial and course is geared to business owners, managers, and individuals who have not had any formal bookkeeping training or on-the-job experience and need or want to learn the basics of bookkeeping. In other words, this tutorial is for beginners, newbies, or those needing a quick refresher and is only an introduction into the world of accounting. They say a little knowledge is a dangerous thing. Well, my goal is to make you dangerous.